Enhance your dashcam experience with the RexingUSA 512GB MicroSD Card. Discover the ultimate solution to elevate your driving safety and record every road moment with the RexingUSA 512GB MicroSD Card. As an essential tool for modern drivers, dash cameras provide crucial evidence for accidents and insurance claims. The key to unlocking their full potential lies in the quality of the memory card. Introducing the RexingUSA 512GB MicroSD Card, your gateway to an unparalleled dash cam journey. Capture every detail. With an impressive 512GB storage capacity, the RexingUSA MicroSD Card ensures extended continuous recording. Never miss a crucial moment again. Have a complete context for any incident and boost your credibility. Optimize video quality. Unleash the full power of your dashcam's advanced settings, like 4K resolution and higher bit rates. The abundant storage guarantees you can record in top-notch quality, capturing even the smallest details with crystal clarity. Effortless space management. Say goodbye to constant file transfers and manual deletions. The RexingUSA 512GB MicroSD Card minimizes the need for storage management, saving you time and hassle. Stay prepared to capture the unexpected without interruptions. Longer lifespan, reliable performance. Regular memory card formatting is vital, but the generous capacity of the RexingUSA MicroSD Card reduces the frequency needed. Enjoy extended intervals between formats, ensuring your card delivers peak performance over time. Peace of mind. Avoid the frustration of full memory cards during critical moments. With 512GB at your disposal, you're always ready to record sudden incidents or accidents. The RexingUSA MicroSD Card guarantees uninterrupted recording and constant peace of mind. In a world full of road surprises, the RexingUSA 512GB MicroSD Card stands as your dependable partner in safety and memory preservation. Elevate your dashcam experience to new heights, ensuring you're always equipped to handle any situation that comes your way. Get ready for a journey where every detail matters, backed by the reliability and power of the RexingUSA 512GB MicroSD Card. It's not just memory, it's your journey's guardian. Click the link in the description of this video for more info.